Hi guys, my name is Saad and welcome to Obsession Car Detailing. This is the weekly recap, our weekly video on YouTube where we show you what is going on behind the scenes. Now it is December. People are doing precisely what I've been telling everyone not to do. Don't leave things to the last minute. We're doing our best to accommodate everyone, but it is tough. First of all, we've got this awesome 911 Targa. Now, this one, you may have seen a video on Instagram where we showed you the roof going up and down. A really, really cool feature on this car. This one's had full XPEL Paint Protection Film. Now, this car actually had a ceramic coating from the dealership. It's a 2023 model. For some reason, just prior to the current owner buying it, the dealership ceramic coated the car, which makes our life a lot more difficult. Kai spent many hours polishing the car, getting into all the nooks and crannies to remove all the coating, and luckily he did a very good job and the film is all on and this car is looking great. This car was finished 2 days ago. After the car is finished, we like to let the car sit for a few days, then we double check everything. It's gonna go back on the hoist to get the wheels coated as well, and then from there we'll be sending it. Next up, we've got this Tesla Model Y, our bread and butter, full front XPEL Paint Protection Film and ceramic coating. Let's talk to Mateo and see how we're going. Mateo, how you going, buddy? How was the Targa to do by yourself?
Very good. It's a car that I personally like it a lot. It's not too common, Targas, but yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Awesome. Now, we went to the track yesterday, Mateo. You were driving our i30N. I was driving the 718 GTS4. How did you go at the track yesterday?
Very good. I had a lot of fun. It was a nice day, cloudy, and not too hot. Luckily, yeah. So
not too hot, man. It was really hot. What are you talking about? I thought it was so hot.
No, but for this time of the year and being Sydney, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, true. Actually, normally track days around this time of the year, like 36 degrees. I think it says already 29 or 30. Thanks, Mateo. Moving along, my E46 M3 is here. We're just charging it up. Weird thing with these cars, if you kind of leave the key in there, the battery just dies, and we left it in there by accident and the battery is dead. So had to charge it up. Luckily got a nice fast charger to bring that up. I honestly think this is the best looking car I own. Something about the E46s, especially on these 19-inch CSL style wheels. Probably not the best driving car I own anymore. It was at one stage, but really the Honda is quicker than this around a track, and so is the Porsche, obviously. But this car has got character. It's got that kind of perfect combination of 90s old school and bit of modern tech. The traction control on it is a little bit silly. The best thing is to turn it off when you're driving. Now, Andy is back. Let's have a chat with him. Andy, how you going, buddy?
How are you?
Good. Where have you been the last few weeks? You were on holiday, or were you playing footy?
I was over in Philippines playing for Singapore for rugby league, playing in the Asia Championships, and yeah, we won.
Oh, and did you win?
Yeah, we beat Philippines in the grand final, 62-0.
Wait, 62-0.
Yeah, in the grand final as well.
Jesus.
Yeah.
What did you score any tries, or are you more of the kicker?
Well, I got injured in the grand final, so I didn't really play much, but no, I didn't score any tries.
Oh, damn. All good. What position do you play?
Hooker.
Oh, wait, you're right. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, hooker, you're in the middle. Yeah, actually, you're about right. Yeah, you're a hooker. I'd be a prop. I was a prop, and then I was number 8 when I used to play rugby union. What are we up to with this i30?
It's in for a full front end PPF, so just getting it prepped.
Anything else you want to add?
Just happy to be back, that's all.
Awesome. Glad to have you. Talk soon. Now we've got this Prado Altitude. Kai is currently ceramic coating this one, and then we're going to be doing the PPF in the front end. Kai, how you going, buddy?
Just hanging out.
That Mazda MX-5 looks awful. I'm seeing all these holograms, and I'm looking at it, and I'm tripping out. Let's take a look. Check this out. Look at this pinstriping, or this custom. Yeah, look at this custom work, mate. What is going on here? I want to give you the mic, and you can hold this, and you can speak to the camera.
Well, this is the first step in our 2-step correction. This is what's known as work lines from my lovely rotary machine over there. This is just a representation of all of the lines and stuff and how I've been working with the rotary, but these come out super easy. So after a polish, these will go out, and then you're left with the nice, fresh layer of clear, and then we'll chuck our ceramic coating on top of it, and it'll look fresh again. Under the cover, welcome to Kai's Corner. Under the cover here, we have a BMW M240i. It came in start of the week, and the owners were out of town until Friday afternoon. They might even get back Monday. See how we go. And it came in for our full plus package. So that was single step correction, ceramic coating on the car, and then ceramic coating on the wheel faces, the interior, and the class. Car, brand new car. It's just ready to go. It's all protected now, ready for its lovely long life of BMW things.
Thanks, Kai. So guys, I think that wraps up this week. As we go into Christmas, I think we've got another GT3 coming in next week, maybe. Yeah, that's everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want the OCD touch on your car, click below and get in touch. Talk soon and stay protected.